Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Yes. Now, both hands side first. Straight your both hands from. Just rotate. Opposite side, opposite rotation. Yes. Now, both hand side. Rotation. Rotate your neck very slow. Opposite side, opposite rotation. Very slow. Rotate your neck. Yes, now relax. Both hands on your shoulder. Just rotate your shoulder. Opposite side, opposite rotation. Shanghai. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, rotate your hips. 1, 2, 3. More front and back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Lower back, opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes. Relax hand first. Inhale, exhale. Right hand up. Inhale, put your head with your hand. Exhale back, left side. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale, lower back. Right side. 6. Straight hand over the head. Open your chest. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Thighs. Open leg move. Yeah. High thigh. Both hands up. Finger long. Inhale. Exhale. Bend. Left side. Straight your hand. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Right side. One more time. Inhale. Exhale on to the left. Come back. Inhale. Exhale on to the right. Come back. Inhale. Exhale left side. Hold it. 5. Normal breathing. 4. Open your chest, straight head. 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale. Exhale. Hold your waist, elbow close first, upside. Inhale. Exhale. Push your hip front more. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale. So exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Yes. Chan chai, left foot, right foot, chan chai. Yes. Gapcha. Bend your both knee. Yes. Open hip side, back straight, thumb low. First, zang hai thai. Open hand. Inhale, exhale. Left side, straight hand over the head. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Right side. Straight your left hand over the head. Open chest. Left hand. Shoulder back. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale, back, front, look front. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Left hand down. Inhale, exhale, look up. Open chest, move back. Yes. 5, 4, 3. Both hands same line. 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale. Right side, opposite side, same position. 5. Open chest. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Chop thigh, both palm together. Inhale, exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now this time, right leg, right foot front, chan chai, left foot left side, and remember both feet same line. Gap chan chai, chin meadow, back straight, thang lung, zang hai thai. Both shoulders same line. Right side to left hand down, knee leg look up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Right hand back, finger low, look up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Opposite side. Now change your leg position. Same position. Gap chin 5. Zang hai thai. Inhale, exhale. 6. Low. 5, 4, 3, 2, left and back, done that. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Very slow, come back. Inhale, exhale, feet together. Inhale, exhale. Now this time, bend your both legs, straighten, gotcha. Straighten, shoulder back, look down. 6. Put your both hands mid of your 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Chop time. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Left side. Open your chest, look up. 5. Feet together, knee together. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Opposite side. Inhale, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Now first, bend your right knee. Hold your right big toe. Back straight, thumb low. Straight your right leg. Front, hold it. You can hold your waist. 5. Straight your both legs. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Right leg, right side. Open your both hands. Shoulder level. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Left leg, front, straight your leg. 5, 4, straight leg, back straight, both shoulders in line. 3, straight your both legs. 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale, both hands, shoulders in line. 5, normal breathing. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, bend your right knee. Chin 5. High thigh, double chin 5. Yes. Hold your foot. Straight leg to 2. Very slow. Right leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale. Same from the opposite side. Hold your foot and straight your left leg up. Back straight, straight leg. 5. Feel stretching in your leg. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Yes. Now, right leg. Hold your foot and straight your right leg up. And right leg. Try. Yes. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale. Opposite side, just hold it. Foot. Here, this one. Foot. Yes. And up, 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 up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Yes. Now bend your left foot. Back straight. Both palms together. 5, 4. If you want more advanced, you can hold it from the back side. 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale, front. If you cannot do normal position, 5. Back straight, straight leg, shoulder same line. 3, 2, high thigh squat. Both hands down, near to your right foot. Gun, punch and 5. In squat. Down here, touch. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now same position in mirror. This time, opposite side. Option 5. Yes. Both palms together. Back straight. Make balance. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale, front. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Go down. Look down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Comes on your finger and exhale. Inhale.